We finished making the seed bed. Now we're levelizing. Then we place the seeds. So I must remove these stuff off. Make sure it's ready. Then we place the fertilizer. So we can start placing the seeds.
Oh, there's a plastic there. Remove. Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Because the plastics, they might interfere with the growth of the seedlings. They can't be part of the soil. They don't rot. The only thing that you leave on the seed bed is organic materials. Yeah, like food waste, grass, plant waste, vegetables, roots, leaves, because they form part of the manure that we need to use. So,
Rocks.
yeah. Just break just enough size, like that one. Yes, yes, twice. That's enough. Drop there. Yes, another one. When it rains, it will break down into smaller pieces. Take another one. Good. Yes. Spread them out. Yes, like that. Good. 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 Make sure you spread them out. Then Godwin will take the shovel, make lines. Just random lines. Either this way.
This way or
yes,
this way?
oh yes. And
I'm gonna do it
this way is easier, yes. There's more somewhere, class. There's more fertilizer somewhere. Near Godwin's leg. Yes.
Get too hard.
Yeah. So we have now spread our seed bed with fertilizer. Then now Godwin will make some lines. You can use this shovel, I think, or the djembe. One of them. I think this one is easier, actually. You'll see.
Breaking the lines.
Good.
Is it visible?
Yes. You see, there are small seeds we'll put inside, so just a small line is enough. Just one enough. That's too deep. It's okay. Other one. Good. One more. Put more. Put more. Good. Other one. Good. Come and add here one. The end here. Nice. So now we start planting our spinach. So you can see the spinach seeds are here. And this is a Ford hook, the bigger sized spinach. So put there. And not too much of it, so that we have enough. On the other side, I think we will plant the kales on that side.